Here's a startling fact: staying active in your middle and later years could slash your dementia risk by up to 40%. But here's where it gets controversial. While midlife exercise seems to be a game changer, early adulthood activity might not make a dent in dementia prevention. Could this mean we've been missing the mark on when to focus our efforts? Let's dive in. A groundbreaking study published in JAMA Network Open reveals that higher physical activity during midlife is linked to a staggering 40% reduction in dementia risk over 26 years. But it doesn't stop there. Staying active in late life also significantly lowers the risk, by 36% to 45% over 15 years. These findings, led by Philip Wong, Ph.D., MPH, of Boston University, highlight the critical role of exercise in brain health across different life stages. And this is the part most people miss: the benefits of physical activity aren't just about burning calories. Exercise boosts cerebral blood flow, reduces inflammation, and enhances neuroplasticity, all of which are vital for maintaining cognitive function. For instance, research from the UK Biobank suggests that high cardiorespiratory fitness might even offset genetic risks for Alzheimer's disease. Similarly, the Harvard Aging Brain Study found that moderate activity prolonged cognitive health in individuals with elevated brain amyloid levels. But why does timing matter? The study analyzed data from 4,354 participants in the Framingham Heart Study Offspring cohort, tracking their activity levels from early adulthood to late life. Interestingly, only midlife and late life activity showed a strong correlation with reduced dementia risk. Early adulthood activity, on the other hand, had no significant impact. This raises a thought-provoking question: should we be prioritizing exercise interventions during specific life stages rather than promoting a one-size-fits-all approach? Another intriguing finding is the role of genetics. Higher activity in midlife was associated with lower dementia risk only in individuals without the APOE4 Alzheimer's risk gene. However, late-life activity benefited both carriers and non-carriers, suggesting that exercise might partly counteract APOE4-related changes. Is this the key to unlocking personalized dementia prevention strategies? Of course, no study is without its limitations. Self-reported activity levels may not always be accurate, and higher mortality rates among less active, older participants could have influenced the results. Reverse causation in the late-life group is also a concern, though the long follow-up period and exclusion of existing dementia cases help mitigate this. So, what's the takeaway? Staying active, especially in midlife and beyond, could be one of the most powerful tools we have against dementia. But the question remains: are we focusing our efforts at the right time? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think early adulthood should be a priority for exercise interventions, or should we double down on midlife and late life strategies? The debate is open.